Hello girls. Today I will show the method that I've been using for getting a free YesStyle coupon code. First open up YesStyle.com and then open pickyourcode.com/YesStyle, a new browser tab. When you arrive at Pick Your Code, start by entering your email address. Now click Continue and choose the coupon size. Click Continue again and wait for 15 seconds. Now complete couple offers, and after that you will have your coupon. Just follow the instructions under the offer names, and you will get your coupon in just a few minutes. I will speed up the video now, since it will take few minutes to complete both offers. When you have completed both offers, click on Verify. Now you will have your coupon. Just copy it and go back to YesStyle. Now just add any product you want to shopping cart. When you're ready, just go to shopping cart to apply your code. Now I will just paste in my coupon and click apply. Enjoy, now you have applied your coupon code. Thanks for watching.